Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And to kick off this week's wireless recap, I wanted to do some speed testing on Sprint for you guys. A lot more Band 41 popping up across El Paso, but they have gone a different route a bit and changed their strategy. So what they're using now is Band 41 mini macros, as you can see, the MM, and those are limited to 2-channel carrier aggregation, as you will see right here. See, band 41 20 megahertz, band 41 20 megahertz. So what this is, I'm going to talk through it while I do some speed testing. And what this is, it is not a full band 41 rollout. So they use the existing antennas that are on the site and they add additional RRUs on top. So if they in the future run into any congestion on this site, they will have to come back to the site and upgrade it again so they can activate the 3-channel, 4-channel carrier aggregation, etc. On a full band 41 site, they wouldn't have to do that. They can just activate it via software. So there are some positives to this, but there are also some negatives. Positive for us currently, as you can see, it is pushing out some good speeds pretty much throughout the whole day. And as you can see, the ping times are lower too. So it is working. It's lifted congestion quite a bit. Also, band 25 on the two-channel carrier aggregation is working well in this area as far as the load balancing. So it's all coming together, but Sprint is going to need more band 41 sites in the future to really speed things up in El Paso. Now, also another positive, these mini macros are a lot faster to add to the towers. They turned on 3 towers within a day. So that's really good to see. And speeds, I have seen speeds well over 100. So also the 12:1 ratio is live here, so I don't get anything over 8 megabits per second on the upload. So they have more dedicated to the download here. So this is just something that I wanted to do for you guys. I'm still testing Sprint out there. They have gotten a lot better here. The Calling Plus, I have turned it off because it's just not what I was expecting. If I'm a bit too far from a tower or it is congested, the call just fades out. You know, earlier I tried to call to order some food and I couldn't even hear the person half of the time. So I just disabled that for the time being until they can actually get some true voice over LTE going here. Now, as you can see, I've ran a few tests. They have been consistent. So there has been no slowdown at any time of the day that I have gotten here. Like at 2 p.m., 4 p.m., there's no slowdown. So Sprint's market share is so-so in this area, but they have told me, I have gotten in contact with the RF engineer, and they have told me that they are gonna, work through 2018 and then through 2019, and all sites are planned for upgrades. So that's definitely good to see that things are going in El Paso. So next, part 2 is coming after this, the video where we're going to talk a lot of networks. There's a new Un-carrier coming up with T-Mobile, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'm going to be announcing a content partnership with Light Reading, so we're going to talk about that. So lots of content to talk about on the next video that's coming up here in about an hour or so. So definitely stay tuned. I want to interact with you guys in the comment section. Let me know how your experience is on Sprint, if you have seen any major improvements like this. A lot of these mini macros are starting to pop up all over the place. This is a much faster way, and it is also cheaper, by the way. I forgot to mention that. It is a lot cheaper for Sprint to add these than a full macro site. So you're going to start seeing these a lot more around the areas. So as you can see, once again, we got an 80 on the download. So definitely like this video, give this video a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated, keeps me going. Like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video that's coming up. And this is Tyrone with Tech Life, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.